What if I told you that AI could control entire cities, managing traffic, piloting drones, and even making life or death emergency decisions without human input? It sounds like science fiction, right? But it's happening right now with a groundbreaking technology called Intelligent Acting Digital Twins, or IADT. Unlike traditional AI models, IADT doesn't just simulate problems, it acts, adapts, and learns in real time. Imagine a drone on a mission. Instead of waiting for human commands, it makes its own decisions and adjusts on the fly. Is this the future of automation, or are we giving AI too much control over our world? Let's find out. A digital twin is a virtual replica of a real world machine, system, or even an entire city. It constantly updates with real time data, helping engineers and scientists make better decisions. NASA uses digital twins to simulate how Mars rovers will perform before they even land. Smart cities use them to predict traffic jams before they happen. But there's a problem: traditional digital twins still rely on human intervention. That's where IADT comes in. Unlike regular digital twins that simply predict outcomes, IADT takes action autonomously. For example, imagine an AI powered drone tracking an enemy aircraft. A traditional system would suggest possible moves to a human operator, but with IADT, the drone itself makes the decision, learning from human pilots and improving over time. In smart hospitals, an IADT system could adjust patient treatments based on real time vitals without waiting for a doctor's approval. This is AI that doesn't just think, it acts. IADT could revolutionize industries in ways we've never seen before. In the realm of self driving cars, fleets of AI controlled taxis could reroute in real time to avoid accidents, making transportation safer and more efficient. In disaster response, AI powered robots could navigate through collapsed buildings, locating survivors faster than human rescuers and improving emergency response efforts. Meanwhile, in military and defense, the deployment of IADT powered unmanned fighter jets could enable instant reaction to threats, reducing human risk in combat situations. The potential for this technology is enormous, but it raises a critical question: should we trust AI with this much power? If an IADT controlled self driving car has to choose between crashing or hitting a pedestrian, how does it make that decision? And more importantly, who would be held responsible for the outcome? These ethical dilemmas become even more concerning when we consider smart cities, where IADT could control power grids, emergency services, and transportation. If these systems become too complex for humans to fully understand, how do we ensure they remain safe and accountable? We've already seen a glimpse of this challenge with large language models. Scientists don't entirely understand how some of them learn and make decisions. So, should we really trust AI to make life or death choices? The future of automation isn't just about AI following commands, it's about AI thinking, learning, and acting independently. But what do you think? Should we trust AI to run our cities, or is this a dangerous path? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of AI, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech updates.